Hey, hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the different type of animals on the basis of their food habits. So under this category, I have divided three animals. Like first, we will going to study about herbivores, then carnivores, and the last is omnivores. So the herbivores are the animals which eat only plant and plant products. Means basically herbivores are only depend on plants for their livelihood, for their food. They didn't eat any other animal. So we call them herbivores, and the example of herbivores are cow, buffaloes, goats, etc. Now, if we're talking about carnivores, carnivores is the opposite to herbivores. Carnivores eat only flesh, or we can say meat of other animals. Example of carnivores are vulture, eagle, etc. Now, omnivores. So if we're talking about omnivores, it is a mixture, or we can say it is a combination of both carnivores as well as herbivores, because omnivorous animal eat both plant product as well as flesh of other animals. That's why we call them omnivores. And example of omnivores are crows, deers, rats, and even human beings. Yes, we human beings also come in the category of animal, and we are omnivores. So here I'll continue my video with the another topic, that is parasites, scavengers and decomposers, because it is also the part of living organism, and after herbivores, carnivores and omnivores we need to study about these. So first is parasites. What do you mean by parasites? So those animals which depends on other animal for their food are known as parasite. Now here you have a question. All the organisms depend on other animals for their food. So we can say all organisms are parasite? No, definitely not. Parasite have a certain characteristics, like they live on or inside the body of other living organism. How? Because they are very small and they can enter through your nostril, through your mouth, inside your body, and they will live inside your body, get all the nutrition from your body and stay there. So examples of parasite are fleas, leeches and bugs. Now after parasite we discussed about scavengers. Scavengers are the animal which eat only dead plants and animal. Yes, they only eat dead plants and animal. They have never killed animals or plants, but they eat the meat of dead plants and animal. Whenever they got the dead plants and animal, they eat their mass or they eat their flesh. Now the example of scavengers is hyena, vulture, jackal. Here we have another topic also. This is the last topic of today's class, that is decomposers. So what do you mean by decomposer? All the living organism who feed on dead plants. So our another topic is decomposers. Decomposers are very similar to scavengers, but there are only one difference in them. They also live dead plants and animal. They also feed on dead plants and animal, but they excrete their waste product after eating them, and in their waste product many nutrition and minerals were excreted. Okay, so decomposers are also the living organism which eat dead plants and animals. Example is fungi and bacteria. Facts about herbivores. Herbivores like squirrel have a pair of incisors which help them to grow the nuts. And if we're talking about hummingbird and butterflies, they have mouth part to suck nectar from the flowers. Now carnivores like lizard, frog have a sticky tongue which help them in catching insects. Snake have small teeth which help them in swallowing their prey. Now omnivores like birds like crow have a strong sharp pointed beak which helpful eating in